Everyone, welcome back. So, the latest episode of Kyuki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi brings a major development in Samira and Sid's relationship. But Karan's helplessness and Tripti's hidden intention suggest that their happiness may not last long. The episode begins with Samira feeling relieved after the recent emotional turmoil. She happily hugs Karan after believing that everything has finally worked out. When Sid calls to ask what happened, Samira gives him the news he has been waiting for. She tells him that Karan has agreed to their marriage and the family can now move forward with the wedding discussion. Sid becomes extremely happy and hugs Tripti, thanking her for supporting him. However, Tripti's happiness hides a dangerous motive. Her support for Sid and Samira is part of a much bigger plan. She appears pleased and everything is happening exactly as she wanted. Meanwhile, Karan is devastated by the situation. He remembers how Tripti blackmailed him and how Sid and Samira's relationship was exposed in front of the entire family. He feels that he had no choice but to accept their marriage. Karan opens to Nandini and says that a parent can fight the entire world for their child, but become helpless when the conflict is with their own child. He questions how his own daughter could choose the son of the family he considered his biggest enemy. Karan insists that he has never betrayed Tulsi or broken her trust, but circumstances have forced him into this decision. Nandini tries to calm him down while Tulsi silently watches his emotional struggle. However, Nandini herself is disturbed by the painful truth around Sapar's death. Meanwhile, Tripti manages to influence Sid's family as well. When Shubha confronts her for hiding the truth, Tripti convinces him to stop holding on to old grudges and focus on the future. Slowly, he begins to believe that Samira could become a good addition to their family. But Tulsi has a terrifying warning. She experiences a nightmare in which Tripti burns Samira alive after her marriage to Sid. Tulsi wakes up screaming and tells Shobha about the dream. She fears that Samira is unknowingly walking into Tripti's trap and decides that she cannot remain silent. Elsewhere, Gautam and Sahil discuss Karan's helpless situation. Gautam feels sorry for him while Sahil believes Sid genuinely loves Samira and will protect her. He feels the family should not allow old rivalries to destroy the young generation's future. The episode ends with Sid and Samira celebrating Karan's approval, unaware of the danger surrounding them. Karan remains deeply unhappy while Tulsi fears that something terrible is approaching. In the pre-cap, Shubha asks Karan whether he will attend an upcoming event. Karan simply refuses, leaving everyone shocked. With Tripti's plan still hidden and Tulsi's nightmare creating a new fear, the upcoming episode promise even more family drama and emotional twist. Thank you for watching. Bye.